In this demonstration, we're going to look at configuring an in-place hold. We can use an in-place hold to preserve data in the following ways. So we can place a user's mailbox on hold and preserve mailbox items unaltered. We can keep mailbox items from being deleted by users or by automatic deletion processes such as message records management. We can do it to use query-based in-place hold to search and hold items that match specific criteria. We can also preserve items indefinitely or for a specific duration, and with in-place hold we can define the items to hold and also the duration of the hold. In order to do this, we have to specify users that can actually manage in-place hold, and to do that we can do that through Active Directory users and computers. So if I come into Active Directory users and computers, we have a discovery management group. If I just double click on the discovery management group, what we've decided to do for purpose of this demo, if I go for members, we've decided to add April Reagan as part of the discovery management group. Now we've done that, if we select OK, I've now logged into the Exchange Admin Center as user April, as we can see up at the top here. And now based off that, anybody that's familiar with the Exchange Admin Center will see that April doesn't have as many options down the left hand side here for the nodes. But what we want to do here is we want to come to Compliance Management. We've got our in-place e-discovery and hold, and we'll select our plus button. That then brings us into a little table that we need to fill out. So what we'll do is we'll just fill this table in. So we're going to call this one Hold for Amra Zaki. Amra is one of our execs, and this is an in-place hold. It's being put into effect at the request of a major customer. Amra is fully aware of the hold and is aware of the implications of this feature. So now what we'll do is we'll just select Next. What we'll do here is we need to specify a mailbox to search. So we're doing this for a user called Amra, so we'll select plus. We'll select Amra, select Add, and select OK. We're not going to bother with public folders, so we'll select Next. Right, so we can include all content. Now we don't want to search for everything. The only thing that we're bothered about here is we're actually bothered about specific criteria. And as you can see, grayed out because we currently have include all content. So we're actually going to filter based on criteria. And the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to come down to the from. I'm going to add some users. The user I want to add here will just be administrator. And select OK. Next thing to do is, I'm not bothered about 2CC, we do want to select message types though. What we want to go for here is we just want to go for email. But as you can see, we can actually select messages based off various types, and we'll select OK. Now we're happy with this, we'll select Next. That now brings me into the in-place hold settings. And what we want to do at this point here is we do want to place the content matching the search query on hold. We don't want to hold it indefinitely. This project's only going to last for a year, so we'll just put it on hold for 365 days. And then finally select Finish. So we're done now, so we'll select Close. Happy now that we've set up the hold. Now what we'll do is we'll just move back across to our Exchange server. And on our Exchange server, we've just launched up Exchange Management Shell. So all we're going to do here is we're just going to do a get-mailbox search, and we should see that Amra has in-place hold enabled. So at this point here, we'll just hit the Enter key, and as we can see, hold for Amra Zaki, created by April, in-place hold enabled is true. Great, everything is done. So we now have our in-place hold for Amra. That's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.